nice though. You niggas would actually love that shit. No, in the summertime though, it's a nice. It's right now it's hot as fuck. Like matter of fact, turn the air conditioner on, baby.
Yeah.
But yeah,
We
it's
got
hot right now.
any goals as a referee? We got any goals that you still want to hit, or we just freelancing and taking what comes?
Well, like I said, my goals are like I'm trying to get on that TV, nigga. Let me get that one WWE match. Let me get that fucking. Everybody's goal is motherfucking WrestleMania. You know what I mean? That's the
Yeah.
goal for everybody.